Are you tired of replacing your keycaps because sometimes they accidentally fall off? Well, worrying no more, because the perfect item for you is this one. It's the silicone cover for your keycap protection. Once you have this, you will no longer worry about your laptop keyboard. Look at what I am doing. This is so troublesome. Instead of doing work, I am reinstalling my keycap. Just take a look at the yellow basket, and from there you will see what I mean. So buy yours today and be keyboard worrying free. Now that I have reinstalled my keycap, next is to put my silicone cover. See you again next time.